Investing in cryptocurrencies, stocks, or whatever asset you can lay your hands on involves more than just good luck and gut instinct. The idea of investing in an asset can help you reach your financial goals while solving some of the major problems seen in everyday society. To think that an investment such as XRP, which is suitable for your purposes, might also be helpful in settlement of borderless remittances in the real world is in itself a genius plan. Given that crypto analysts are coming out with a price prediction for XRP and these other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, a little after the crash which had wiped hundreds of billions of dollars off the crypto market, barely a week after Bitcoin peaked to its most recent all-time high of $69,000. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We'll be right back after this.
GSX is an unprecedented financial asset that combines the best elements of a traditional investment with the backing of a stablecoin and the use cases of many of the largest decentralized currencies like XRP.
The Monday crash, which had Bitcoin and most other cryptos dropping by over 10%, has left a big dent in the market. The recent downswing had seen all the asset class prices go down by tens and hundreds of billions of dollars from its previous total market share, as it kickstarted less than a week after Bitcoin reached a record high of over $69,000. Right now, Bitcoin is well on its path to recover from the loss of some of that value after falling below $59,000 and has since dipped again as it's currently trading at around $56,000 at the time of recording this video. The price of Bitcoin is currently under siege by the bears as the sell order seems to be taking over the market, just as seen on the charts from a few months back. This new trend has continued to see the price action for this digital asset squeezing against $56,000, a price level that has long served as a fundamental psychological resistance since Tuesday, April 13th, as the price has been fluctuating around that level in varying upwards and downwards movements. According to the experts, several reasons have likely contributed to the recent crash in Bitcoin's price, which of course spreads across to other altcoins. Among these factors includes a rejection of the spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, which must have seen a likely influx of billions of dollars poured into the crypto market. We also have some news from China, which has also ramped up its clampdown on Bitcoin mining, which was the primary factor that helped cause the last crash from earlier this year, where the Chinese National Development and Reform Commission came out with a statement on Tuesday indicating that for the next phase of the crackdown, it would be considered based on punitive electricity prices for some crypto mines. And of course, we have the sentimental human factor, as we've got Twitter's CFO, Ned Segal, who's also made some negative comments regarding cryptocurrency investment during a recent statement where the Twitter executive said that investing with cryptocurrency doesn't make much sense. Similarly, the CEO and co-founder of Stack Funds, Matthew Dibb, hinted that Bitcoin would likely keep losing value for a more significant amount of the entire Q4 of 2021. However, following the prediction from the expert investment funds executive, just as we've seen with some big sales occur on such popular crypto trading platforms like Bitfinex, as well as openings of new short positions, the liquidations so far are still relatively low based on historical standards. Therefore, the funding rates are approaching flat value propositions, hence we could see a further cool-off in Bitcoin's price rally for the short term as momentum starts to stall. However, most crypto analysts are still very bullish about the longevity of the crypto market, particularly considering the long-term future of their favorite assets, as the ongoing downtrend presents a perfect buy opportunity for the knowledgeable few while still serving as a potential sellout option for the ignorant many who only dabbled into the cryptocurrency sphere due to an increased hype following Bitcoin's pump to an all-time high of almost $69,000, which also saw the price of other cryptocurrencies following suit in the upward trend. On the other hand, the Dutch crypto Plan B has also suggested an earlier prediction for the asset class. He asserts that Bitcoin could hit $135,000 by the end of this quarter. The group has found success predicting cryptocurrency growth in the past. A growing number of these analysts continue to expect an altcoin eventually surpassing the value of Bitcoin as the most prominent cryptocurrency. We think XRP will subsequently take center stage when the time comes. Given that XRP holds one of the most significant potentials to reach more extraordinary highs, it is well placed within the ranks of the top 10 cryptocurrency platforms on the planet, and it has once occupied the position of the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin, which goes a long way to show how little effect the SEC lawsuit has on Ripple and XRP. So little that the crypto experts have continued to go with the assumption that as little as 100 XRP coins would be worth some significant value by 2023. While a few others, like Rahul Rai of Block Tower Capital, told Insider that he believes there's a good chance for the Ether token to surpass Bitcoin. While I can't argue about the possibility of that, I don't see that happening anytime in this cycle. Given Ethereum's scalability issues and the advent of such rival and even more innovative platforms offering the same smart contract functionality as Ethereum, like Solana and Cardano, which might be taking a little while. It's pretty hard to predict if this cycle will end in Q4 2021, 2022, or further ahead. Either way, by mid-next year, we should expect to see XRP rid itself of the SEC lawsuit. We can then determine if the Ripple asset still has the potential of such a prediction as becoming the most significant cryptocurrency on the planet. In the meantime, the bulls will need to close the price of XRP above the $0.09 margin today to keep the momentum and buy-side pickup going. Just as the flat relative strength index hints of a possibility that both the buyers and the sellers are going against each other, and both want to have it their way. However, should the bulls fail to win over the bears and close above $1.09, we should expect a retest below the $1 mark. The prices will most likely drift to price ranges lower than the $1, which will act as a dangerous psychological level for investors, just as the 200-day simple moving average appears to be a very supporting element that could quickly see a similar reversal to the upside like we saw earlier today. One of the major factors why most experts believe that the price of XRP would skyrocket within a time frame that falls between the last quarter of 2022 towards the first quarter of 2023 is the fact that most financial institutions, utilizing the SWIFT protocol for a little over 4 decades, are now on the lookout for a new payment protocol. When the Bitcoin bears have already broken down below the $57,000 level, the price of XRP was seen to be at a position where the bulls can quickly enter long positions at $1.04, as XRP would soon quickly consolidate back above that level. On the other hand, the bulls are doing all that it takes to defend the $1.04. Although the relative strength index has been pushing further downwards, the bulls are expected to quickly give up any attempts to defend further that price level, which opens the doors for the bears to take the downswing a little down the drain. With that move, bears are entering the break below the significant barrier got stuck in a bear trap. So traders are expected to see a further uptick following today's trend, right before correcting the momentum that might have hurt quite some bears and see some loss taking occurring throughout the day. As long as the current crosswinds don't start to outweigh the prices any further, XRP seems to be doing just fine. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And we'll see you next time.